video review of how to change the exact same engines, the Kohler engine. A couple things you need: a bucket to catch oil, some brake clean for cleanup, a funnel to pour the oil in, a number 13 socket to pull the oil plug out, and obviously some oil, 4-stroke, SAE 30 or 1040 or whatever for small engines. All right, so what you're gonna do is pull dip stick out. I always pull that out first. There's a little extra oil in there. Okay, and then remember lefty loosey. There we go. And then we're just gonna pull this out. And screw careful, there's a washer on there. Don't lose the washer. So there's a crush washer on there. You may want to replace that. It's up to you. If it leaks, replace it. Or if it drips. Just get a paper towel, wipe it down. Give it a minute to pour all the oil out. So just remember, number 13 socket, preferably with an extension on it, so you could get in there and get out the engine cylinder away, so you could get a little torque in there. Because check your air filter if you want. Completely done dripping. We'll put the plug back in. Okay. Don't cross that. Don't cross thread it. There you go. Just get a socket. Right tighty. Just give it a little snug. Remember, it's aluminum, don't over torque it. And then you just get a funnel. Make sure it's clean. Okay, put the funnel in there. And just add your oil until it drips out. Okay, just basically put it in. Hold it. I don't think you're supposed to screw it in. Pull it out. Perfect, we're right up out of the 4th X right there. Let's check it again. Stick it in, hold it level. I don't think you're supposed to screw it in. Pull it out. Yep, 3.5 X's. Perfect, right in the middle. So now screw that on. We can do this. Okay. That's all. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, then what I do is I take the brake clean, spray everything down, get rid of all the oil. Okay, you spilled all over everything. Can. Okay, so wipe that off. All the oil's off now. Good, nice and clean. Let that drip in there. It's trash, trash, trash. And what we'll do is we'll start it up, let it run for a minute. Then we'll check the oil again, make sure it's good. And you're done with your oil change. Pretty simple.